better set her in the middle again. I think you have to lean her forward on the dog. Sorry, I don't think she'll stay if you go backwards here. There you go. Like that. Oh. Whoa, no. Oh dear. You need some help? Here. There you go. Okay. Try going in a straight line for a little bit. Easiest. There you go. Oh no. Yeah, maybe he has trouble staying up on the dog. That's a very fun idea, though. Are you going to put